Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Considering previous Note phones came out in August or September of their year, we are expecting the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 to be announced in August 2020, and specifically August 5 has been rumored multiple times. But you won't be able to buy it on that day. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is still months away from being released, but there's been a few potentially revealing leaks that give us a first look of the phone. Let's start with something disappointing. There might not be a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it seems there may only be two phones in the range, the base device and the Note 20 Plus. However, the same source that provided that information suggested the Galaxy Fold 2 could functionally replace the Ultra mode, acting as the top-end device in the line. So far, our clearest look at the possible Galaxy Note 20 design comes from leaked renders, which show a flat 6.7-inch screen with hardly any bezel, a single-lens punch-hole camera and a large Galaxy S20-like camera block on the rear. The renders also show the power and volume buttons having been shifted from the left to the right edge and the S Pen slot moving from the right to the left. The source of this render says to expect a 6.9-inch screen. We have also heard that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could have a 120Hz refresh rate screen that's more fine-tuned. That was a very early leak, but a more recent one suggests the base Note 20 could actually have a 60Hz display, and the top-end device will still have 120Hz. The Note 20 could also pack an in-screen front-facing camera, which would sit under the full display instead of within a notch or pinhole. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus camera specs have been leaked also. Apparently, it will have a 108MP main, 12MP ultra-wide and 13MP periscope snapper, joined with a laser autofocus system that replaces the time-of-flight sensor. A leak suggests it won't have the same 100x digital zoom capability as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, so presumably it won't have the 10x optical zoom either. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will allegedly come with the same Snapdragon 865 chipset that debuted in the Galaxy S20 line, which makes sense as they are packed with the Snapdragon X55 modem to enable 5G connectivity. Although some regions could get an upgraded chipset in the form of the Exynos 992, Samsung typically uses its own Exynos processors in the most regions outside the US, and it's rumored that an Exynos 992 could be used instead, offering a slight upgrade on both the Exynos 990 and Snapdragon 865. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.